Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited about this week's video because this is going to be my first video for the fall season. Now if you're anything like me, you just love fall, from pumpkin spice to the crispy leaves to the cold weather and of course all the cozy sweaters that you can buy. But anyways, I am going to be making a small batch of pumpkin scones, which is really good because if I make a full batch and eat them all, it won't be a good situation. And so I am going to be linking the website where I got this recipe from down below, so definitely check it out. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to start off by using a medium bowl, and we are going to add our flour along with our sugar. And in this small bowl I have some salt, some baking soda, and some baking powder, and I will list all of the measurements in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And now I'm going to add our pumpkin pie spice and just give that a good whisk until nice, well, and incorporated together. Right, so now that that's well mixed, I am going to add some cold butter, and you definitely want to make sure that it's cold. And so I'm just going to add that, and using a pastry cutter, I'm just going to cut the butter into our flour mixture until they're nice crumbly bits. Just like you see here, everything looks good. And so now we're just going to set that to the side and get ready for our next step. Okay, so now we're ready to start on our wet ingredients, and I'm taking some pure pumpkin puree along with some heavy whipping cream, and just give that a good whisk. And look how pretty that color is. It's perfect for fall. Alright, and so now we're just going to add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And I went ahead and switched to a spatula, and you definitely do not want to over mix the dough, just enough to where you don't see any dry bits into your dough. Just make sure it's well incorporated, but don't over mix it. Okay, and now you just want to form the dough into a nice ball. Make sure it all comes together. And then we're going to place our dough on top of a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. And I'm just kind of making it a little bit round and kind of flattening it out a little bit, just so we can start shaping our scones. Okay, just like that. And if you need to chill your dough because it came a little too warm, just like I did because it was hot that day, just pop it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. And now we're taking a bench scraper and cutting out our scones. And they look so cute already. And so I'm just separating them. Okay, so this is what our scones look like, and now we are just going to brush them with some heavy whipping cream, and it's just going to give our scones a nice pretty shininess to the top of them. It's going to look really pretty. It's all about presentation, people. Okay, so now I'm going to pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and so while our scones are cooking, let's get started on our glaze. And so I have some powdered sugar along with some pumpkin pie spice and some heavy cream, and just give that a good mix. And depending on the consistency of your glaze, you may want to add more heavy whipping cream or more powdered sugar, depending on how you like your thickness on your glaze. And I just wanted to show you the beautiful consistency, a nice ribbon effect. It's so pretty and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, and so our scones are out of the oven, and the recipe says to go ahead and glaze them while they're hot out of the oven, but of course when you do that, the glaze kind of melts, and so up to you if you want to do it right out of the oven or if you want to let them cool down for a couple of minutes. But these look so good. Can't wait to dig in. And there you have it. And there you have it, a delicious batch of pumpkin scones. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I, as always, enjoy making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. And if there are any other type of fall themed videos that you would like to see from me, then leave them in the comment section and I'll take a look at them for you. But until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!